Kakanta!
Isa
Kakanta
pa?
muna. Ay, isa pa.
Ano ba yan?
Oo, para lang sa ating mga kapamilya. Isa pa.
Ay,
Sabi kayo sa AJ.
sinasabi niya.
There are times
Bigas ng isang discordance.
I just want to look at your face.
Sino na ito forevermore?
Stars align. There are times when I just want to live your embrace. In the cold of the night, I just can't believe that you are mine now.
Mga pamilya, come on, sabay-sabay tayo.
You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be here with forevermore.
Let's go down. You wanna go down? Let's go that one more time for you guys.
Those years when I had to hold you in my arms, I've been dreaming of you. Every night I've been watching all the stars that fall down, wishing you I just can't let you all mine now.
I love you guys. Sabay-sabay, come on.
You're just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be
I love you guys. Let's go be in the front. Hi guys.
Time and again, there are these strangers that we cannot Sure it's time before we all get Our love for you will be
Thank you po sa lahat na ng forevermore. Sa lahat na naniniwala na forever. I love you guys. Be patient. Love is good.
Thank you. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. Let's last forever.
Our love will stay together.
You are all I need
To be
here with forever.
let's last forever. Our love will stay together. You're all I need to be here with forevermore. Ito yung mga times na nakakamiss lahat.
Palapakan naman natin! Sir Ben! Pagkatapos nilang kumanta ay muling maglalapit ang kanilang mga mukha. Ayan. Muling maglalapit ang kanilang mga mukha. Palapit ng palapit. Gusto mo makita ko? Wait lang, wait lang. Take two, take two, take two, take two, take two, take two. Guys, ready na kayo?
Wait lang.
Ano? Ready na?
ulitin
Siyempre,
natin.
gusto natin makita lahat. Pagkatapos ng kumantay, muli maglalapit ang kanilang mga mukha. Palapit ng palapit. Ng palapit. Tingnan natin gano'ng kalapit na tayo nila. Ng palapit. Nakakay na kanila. Ng palapit. Ng palapit. Ng palapit. Freeze! Okay, okay. Freeze! At dyan natatapos ang ating kwentuhan na pinamangatan natin. Dolce Amore Moto sa Canada. Palapakan po natin. Si Enrique and Liza Sobrano, of course. Thank you guys.
Yes, maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, mga kapatid.
Tukakay, Morris, and thank you guys so much.
Yes.
Una
Asan
sa
pa yung dalawa?
Dugan
Giancarlo.
po, station. Oh, thank you.
Giancarlo, teka, kaisa na kayo?
Yo.
Ay, grabe siya. Natuloy pala siya sa nata.
Tatalo na ako sa Nagaraya Falls.
Oh,
Ako rin kakay, tatalo na rin ako.
the end, mga kapamilya. Palapakan po natin muli ang cast na Dolce Amore.
Thank you po so much.
Mateo, kumahon ka dyan. May kanta pa tayo.
Oo nga naman.
Mategi ni Shelly. And Ate Kakay. Thank you, mga kapamilya.
Thank you guys so much
Thank
for
you
all the
guys. We
support.
love you, mga amores.
Thank you very much po.
Una sa lahat, I want to say po, my new film Dugan is showing here, I think in Canada. So sana po
Dugan!
karoon niyo lahat. Directed by Paul Soriano and sa lahat po na sumusubaybay ng Dolce Amore, thank you guys so much talaga.
Right.
We hope you enjoyed the story of the show. Thank you.
I'd like to say thank you TFC also for bringing us here, Dolce Amore.
Of course.
Dolce Amore, maraming salamat. Thank you very much for hating and loving Giancarlo.
Oh, come on, they love you, bro. What are you talking about?
Hey, the look as a place.
Yeah, the look, come
And
on.
the diplomats out there, thank you very much for coming, guys. Maraming salamat po.
All the fan groups, maraming salamat. Everybody on the
Thank
sides.
you
I
for
love
showing
you.
your supporting
If you guys-
support today by coming here.
And if you're in the Philippines, when's the Dolce Amore concert?
Yes, kasama tayo doon.
Yes.
Sa Kia
August
Theater.
20 sa Kia Theater. Kung merong uuwi ng Philippines. See you there.
See you there.
This song's for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Mag-enjoy ba kayo?
Love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside.
Hi!
Your love is like the river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside.
Every time I hear our music play, reminds me of the things that we've been through.
In my mind, I can't believe it's true. But in my heart, the reality is you.
Cause I'm all alone without you. But days are dark without a glimpse of you. But now that you came into my life,
I feel complete.
the flowers bloom,
The morning shines and I
Hey, sing the song, sing together!
put your hands up.
Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside.